Have you ever wondered how people build wealth through the stock market? The allure of financial freedom and the potential for substantial returns draw many to this vibrant world. However, the complexities might seem daunting to beginners. In this guide, we simplify stock investing, making it accessible for everyone regardless of their prior knowledge or experience. Whether you're looking to secure your financial future or just eager to learn more, understanding the stock market is the crucial first step. To begin, let's define what stock investing really means. Stocks, often referred to as equities, represent ownership in a company. By investing in stocks, you purchase shares hoping to earn returns over time as the company grows and thrives. One of the major advantages of stock investing is historical performance. Stocks have consistently provided higher returns compared to other investment options like bonds or savings accounts. This historical trend underscores the potential for wealth building through the stock market, if approached wisely. Understanding the mechanics of the stock market is essential. Stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Nasdaq serve as the bustling venues where buyers and sellers congregate to trade stocks. Here, stock prices fluctuate based on a myriad of factors. Company performance, industry trends, and broader economic indicators all play critical roles in determining the price of a stock at any given moment. With so many moving parts, diving into stock investing can feel overwhelming, but this is where preparation becomes key. Now, how does one start investing in stocks? The first and foremost step is to educate yourself. Understanding the basics can build a strong foundation for your investment journey. Next, it's vital to choose a brokerage account that aligns with your needs. Look for user-friendly platforms that offer educational resources to guide you. Starting small is also essential. Begin your journey with manageable investments, considering options like index funds or ETFs that offer diversification as a way to spread out risk. As you embark on your investment journey, remember key strategies for success. Diversification is your friend. Spreading investments across various assets can help mitigate risks associated with sudden market fluctuations. Adopting a long-term perspective is crucial. Stock markets can be volatile in the short term, but patience often yields growth over time. Continuous learning will keep you sharp and informed, ensuring you stay updated on financial news and trends. For those eager to deepen their understanding, numerous resources are available. Online platforms like Wall Street Survivor offer gamified courses, presenting a fun way to grasp investing concepts. Educational videos also abound, providing visual insight into investing basics and principles. In conclusion, stock investing opens doors to wealth-building opportunities, but it begins with knowledge and informed action. Start by educating yourself, take that first step into the world of investing, and gradually build your portfolio. Just remember, all investments carry risks. It's crucial to invest wisely and consult financial advisors when necessary.